Okay, so this is second test of a Android application to assist with the teaching of Morse code for radio hams. It's based on a program, PC program created by G0HYN Alpha November, which is called the Morse Teaching Program. This is the second video and just shows the changes that I've made and hopefully showing that I'm getting closer now. Anyway, so the application I'll just fire up. Differences obviously between Android and PC base, because you haven't got a fixed keyboard, and so everything has to be a bit squashed. Changes I've made now, I've got the teach function working hopefully, so I'll just demonstrate a few of the features and how it relates to the PC program or not. So controls are similar to last time, in as much as I've got Farnsworth speed, words per minute, how many characters are involved, I've set it at 1, and the frequency of the tone is set at 800 at the moment. These now store themselves if I alter a couple of these, exit the program. It comes up settings saved. If I go back in, they're now at the settings that I exited the program at, so it's remembering what the settings are, so you don't have to keep changing them if you while you're learning and you've got so many characters done it. But it's the same as the save environment on the PC program basically. So it's in learn mode at the moment. It'll do files as well. I'll show that in a minute. So let's further ado. The histogram's showing complete maximum errors on every character because it's set at 1, so it hasn't demonstrated, the person hasn't demonstrated they've learnt any yet. So if I start it off, first letter in the sequence is Q, it's repeated it, and it's the histogram's dropped down. I'll just let it wait. It should, there it goes, because I haven't responded, and if I keep responding the timing goes down as well. So now it says I've learned that one and it's gone on to 7. Let's do a few of these. Now it's gone on to Z. Clears the screen when it starts a new character as per the PC program. Q. If I put in an incorrect character, it actually increases the error on the character it was sending as per the PC program. I seem to have managed to break it. I'll have to have a look at that. Now it's back to 7. Q. See if I can get it to do one new character. 7. Q. Lots of Qs. Too many Qs. I'll just pause that a second, show that it pauses. Hang on a second. Excuse the interruption. Right, so it's paused at the moment. Screen's colour changes. If I unpause it, it'll carry on. We're sending cues. Still sending cues. All random, this. 7. Z. Okay, it's gone on to a new character now. So it's... oh no, it was sending G's before, wasn't it? It doesn't... G... oh no, it's gone on to a new character. It's gone on to 0. So at this point, I just want to stop it and show that it comes up with a rating. Check this against the PC one, it seems to be correct. And the histogram is showing, so rather than the PC version that shows all the characters, I'm just showing the characters that have been used in the test, so they're not aware of what's coming up, and also it shows it against the bars, just playing really, more than anything. Okay, so that's the learn side of it. If I switch it to file mode, then it says it's going to send random files. I've actually got most of the files that were in the PC version. but P0 I've actually replaced with an external file that's stored on the SD card. But let's just pick, if I pick P8, it says it's loaded it. If I set the speed, well, that's 12:14. Let's just so all it's going to do is play characters, and I haven't switched the display up, so it'll actually display the characters as it goes along. Okay, so if I increase the words per minute. The speeds need checking because there's some frig factors I've got in the program. I speed the Farnsworth up. A little echoey in my kitchen. Slow that down to 20, shall we say. All in all, not too bad. Stop that, and if I just demonstrate that I can, back in file mode, sorry, there's an external file called Morse.txt, which is editable by the user by an external text editor. As long as they put it in the right place and the program finds it, then all well and good. If I start that now, I think there's only 2 lines in the file, which strangely enough involve my call signs. Just put the tone back on. So there you go. So G0HYN was my old Class B license, hence the joke of talking to myself, but there you go. So I'll stop it at this point, and I think that's probably it for now. Pretty happy with that. The problem I've got is it all works fine on the Nexus 7, which is this particular Android machine, but when I tried on a Samsung device, either my phone or my tablet, then the tones aren't right. It goes continuous tone, and if I get it right for the Samsung, then it messes up the Nexus at the moment. So a bit of work to be done, but that's pretty close. Needs checking its speeds and such, but I would have thought in learn mode that's eminently usable now, and I have been using it. So if I set up the number of characters and press start, then the histogram drops like it would do in the PC program, and away it goes, sending out from that position, starting a new character. Where are we? X. Of course my mum in Morse isn't that good, but there you go. Anyway, I'll stop it there at that point, and of course the mastery has changed based on the fact that I'd said that I already learnt all those characters. Anyway, video mainly targeted at Gary. It's nice to talk to you, Gary, if you get a chance to have a look at the video, and let me know how you think it's going. I'm pretty happy. I've learnt a lot about Android doing it, mostly via the internet and examples. There's nothing like plagiarism. Anyway, 73, and take care all out there. Cheers for now.